Hey, it's Naturally TC. I had to re-upload this video simply because when I first recorded it, I was in the airport and I believe they were picking up the background music, which was almost nothing, but you know how it is. So here's the re-upload of my natural hair color. As I said before, this client was natural, and also we had colored her hair before. It was a very light pink. Actually, I'm lying. It was like light pink on like some pieces, like it had light pink highlights, but then it was like that fuchsia, not even fuchsia pink, like it was pink. But since then, my client has used some semi-permanent colors on top of that pink, because pinks, reds, any vibrant color is going to fade after so many washes. Even after one wash, you will see the difference. There are several color shampoos and conditioners that you can utilize that will keep your hair color vibrant, but outside of that, you're gonna have to recolor that hair. Or I kind of like when hair fades because it looks like a different color every time, and you could just rock that until you just like, okay, like this really need to be redone, and then you get it redone. So I went in and I lightened my client's hair using the Rusk lightener, which is all the stuff that I use is in the beginning of the video. So I'm not going to write it in the comments. Just pause your video, write it down, and try it. So I lightened it first. I actually want to do, I lightened it and then I used the color remover. And this is my first time using color remover. I never used it before. So next time I'm going to use the color remover first and then lighten it, because I want to see what is the difference. A colleague of mine that does it all the time says that she used the color remover second, but I'm going to try it first and see which outcome I like best in general. But you know, everybody's hair is different, so you cannot do the same thing on everybody's hair, because everybody's hair is different. So you have a general idea of what you should do, and then you kind of cater it based on what your client's hair needs. Some clients' hair is very porous. That means that it soaks up everything, so it's going to lighten really quickly. So not all the time do you need to use the color remover and the lightener together. Maybe you could just get away with either or, but you would need to know how lighteners work. You have to know how the color removers work in order to make that decision. So anywho, I'm putting the lightener on, and you'll see me, I'll go back. I'm going to use the color remover. Then I'm going to use 9A, I believe it's a 9 Ash, which is a demi-permanent color. And what it does is cancels out, ash is green, so green cancels out red. You can also use it on oranges, like if it's orangey, like real orangey, because that's close to red. If you think about the color wheel, you can use that. Some people use violet. When it really comes to like oranges and yellows, they'll use like violet to cancel it out. So, but I use the 9A once we got through those two processes, and then I applied the blue. What people don't realize is like those I'm gonna call them high performing colors, like blues, and that are just like really vibrant. That hair is lightened to, you know, like a level 7 or 8 or 9 in some instances, especially when you get into those pastel colors, because that's what you see. The color you see is on hair that does not have as much pigmentation, especially with ethnic hair. You know, we have that red undertone. So no matter, even if the hair has never been previously colored, you're still going to have an undertone in the hair. So yep, that's what I did. Lightened, toned, and then applied the demi-permanent color. And the color, the actual blue color, is applied to the hair, and then, you know, placed under a hooded dryer for whatever period of time is good for your client's hair. After that, it simply is rinsed out because you have already done your neutralizing shampoos after you have did the demi-permanent on the hair, the demi-permanent color to cancel out whatever undertones you have. Yep, and so that's how it works. And then we did our comb twist or finger coils. You know, we did that. I styled her hair, and then she was ready to go. This client, she's actually a braider up in Port St. Lucie. She's really awesome. I love her spirit. Damn, I wish I had her handle name. I can't think of her right now. Her name is D. Hold on, let me find out. So it's on Instagram. She's braids _by BY _ D like 5 E's. So braids _by D. Braids _by _ D, with the D, the letter D as in dog, and then 5 E's after that. That's who she is on Instagram. She does an excellent job braiding, and I feel so honored that she allows me to color her hair when needed. Like, I don't take that for granted. So yeah, so hey, what did I say? I finger coiled it, picked it out, and then she was good and ready to go. So go ahead and check out the rest of the video. I really, really super appreciate each and every one of you. I don't take it for granted that you guys follow me. Please share my channel with a friend. Make sure you click on the bell so that you get updates when I do update my channel. And I'm going to do my best to come at you with more innovative stuff, with more information that you can utilize in your natural hair journey. And even if you don't do it yourself, at least you're educated on what it takes to get your hair to these levels, because a lot of people think that, oh, it's easy to get my hair blue and pink and yellow. It's not. It's a whole process. Like, sometimes people are at the shop all day because we believe in perfecting what we do, and we're not going to let you just leave looking like half-ass. Like, we're gonna make sure that it's done right. So listen, follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I'm Naturally TC. Thank you for everything.